Hello, welcome back to Financial Freedom with Jewel. Today we're going to talk about how you can use maybe a savings account or a HELOC to pay down $35,000 in debt using Velocity Banking. It's a game changer. But you know me, give me one moment, I'll be right back.
You know I'm a stranger, a willing.
We're going to pay off this credit card, we're done. Then we're making this car payment, we're done. That's $422, you guys, that we're making. I'm going to say this credit card, pay that off. That right there is $20,000. Get rid of that. That $325. We have that is our non-positive cash flow. Follow me. Okay, and we're going to pay off this $15,165. It's gone. $35,000. We've eliminated that. But have you guys noticed something here? By me eliminating that, I now have, follow me. Remember that car payment? I have $422 going over here. If I add up 422, 325, and 415, how much am I at? 10, 12. I'm doing something, you guys. Follow me. Let's see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm sorry, you guys. 2, 4, 12. Okay, I'm going back to do my math. That's 2, 4, 6. And look at this, you guys. 4, 8, 11. You guys, once we paid off all that debt, we now have $1,162 in positive cash flow. But you're saying, Jewel, you wiped out your savings. I'm going to pay myself back, right? Watch this. Let's look at all that. So now we know we've actually found $1,162. We have taken off all of that. Don't forget, we had $973. So let's add this $1,162, excuse my writing, plus the $973. You got it. We got to use that math again. Look at this. We got 5, 13, 10, 11. You guys look. Now we have $2,135 in positive cash flow. We've taken this and we've taken that. Now, because we're going to pay ourselves back, we're going to get out of those credit card debts and also the car loan. The car loan is paid off, you guys. You've paid it off. You haven't taken that 6 years to pay it off or that 10 years for those credit cards, because the only person that wins is going to be the banker, because he's going to charge you interest on the loans, okay? So we've eliminated the interest. We've saved money doing that alone. So let's say if we took this, you guys know your math. Let's say we took the $35,000. Let me erase this again. Hope I'm not going too fast for you. I do this all the time, so of course my brain is like rocking and rolling. If you take that $35,000, let's divide it by 2. You guys are going to end up with what? 2, 5, 17. You guys, you can pay off all these debts, pay them off. You can pay yourself back with your $35,000 back in your savings account in 17.5 months. That beats having to go to the bank and say, hey, listen, because I borrowed this money to get your car, I have to pay you back not only what I borrowed, but also interest. You're not doing that anymore. Those credit cards, you were paying $700 a month in credit card debt alone. Guess what? When we decided to use our savings account, our trusted savings account, we became our own bank. We paid our own self back in 17 months. Now, look at this, you guys. You now have not $973. You now have $2,000. We'll put it right here. $2,135 left over at the end of every single month. That's the power of Velocity Banking, you guys. I mean, you're finding money. You have money. I think oftentimes we look at our savings account and say, I got to put away. I got to put away. I got to put away. But use that savings account to benefit you. And because that's a high yield savings, you're getting money on it every single month. And your percentage yield is going to be about 3 to 4%. I know the Fed's talking about doing a cut, but don't worry. Anything is better than putting your money in a regular savings account when you're getting 0.01%. You're adding that $2,000 every single month over here. You guys, within, as long as you stay on target, within a year, you can save up about $25,000, you guys. Can you see how that's working for you? The car is paid off. There's no more credit card debt. And the goal is when you get out of credit card debt, you don't get back in there. You continuously borrow, pay back, borrow, pay back, borrow, pay back. And also, let's not forget, if I look at all my expenses here, when I think about it, If you want to go on vacations and things like that, don't take out a loan. Don't do those kind of things. Don't do a credit card thing. But if you're going to use a credit card, it's okay. Remember, save your money up right here. Use your credit cards for the simple fact is that you're going to gain points. You're going to gain maybe extra hotel stays, maybe gas, maybe savings, or maybe cashback offers. That's fine. But when you get back off that vacation, pay that credit card off. Don't let it go past 30 days because you guessed it. Whenever you go past 30 days on the credit card, he can charge you interest. So I hope you've seen some light at the end of the tunnel. With Velocity Banking, you guys, it works only because you're being strategic with your finances. And you're also allowing yourself a little bit of fun money along the way to get you to financial freedom. Financial freedom is not about having a whole lot of money. It's just being really wise in money that you do have and being strategic in how you spend it. So once again, we've taken our savings account, paid off our car, paid off our credit cards, and paid ourselves back in 17 months. Had we done it the old way, 6 years in a car payment, 6 years in 2 credit cards, I would say about 8 years in those 2 credit cards to pay those off. It's not worth it. There's a better way and you can save money. Use Velocity Banking. It does work. Let's say you have it where, oh my gosh, my tire blew out. It's okay, you guys. With Velocity Banking, take care of your tires, then you just get back on track. It may take you a month longer to pay off your bills and all, but you're not going back and you're not getting in debt. You have a plan, you work in the plan, paying off your bills. Can you imagine using that to hit maybe your student loans? You don't have to go ahead and take out a loan to pay for another loan. Look at your savings account. Your student loans maybe $40,000, $50,000. Chunk that twice. Chunk out of there twice, $35,000. Pay off that debt, student loan debt. You're done. Pay yourself back. You can do it. You have the money.